A very good morning to all of you. Today we will see antonyms and synonyms. Yesterday we have seen antonyms, but once again, yesterday PPT were not prepared. So today we will see antonyms: absent, present, abundant, scarce. Some of the things that I have written: accept, refuse, decline, accurate, inaccurate, admit, deny, admit, permission, deny, advantages, disadvantages, फायदे, तोटे, against, for, agree, disagree, सहमत, असहमत, alive, जिवंत, dead, all, none, सगळे, कोणी नाही, nothing, ally, enemy, always, never, ancient, modern, question, antonym, synonym, apart, apart, together, सोबत, appear, दिसणे, दृष्टिक्षेपात येणे, appear, disappear or vanish, approve, disapprove, arrive, depart, आगमन, निर्गमन, artificial, कृत्रिम, natural, नैसर्गिक, ascend, descend, ascending order, descending, चढताक्रम, उतरताक्रम, attic, cellar, attractive, repulsive, किळसवान, attractive, आकर्षक, awake, asleep, backward, forward, bad, good, beautiful, ugly, beautiful, beautiful, ugly, sundar, group, before, after, beginning, end, below, above, bent, straight, bent वाकलेला, straight. You should not bend yourself in front of anybody. So accept God. Straight, best, best. Virat Kohli is the best batsman. Best, the best. Worst, best, worst. Superlative degree, worst. Better, worse. WORSE. Yesterday I told you. Better, worse, or worst. Big, little, or small. Worse. Pandemic situation will remain as one of the worst situation across the world. One of the worst. One of the worst, not only worst. सुपरलेटिव्ह डिग्रीमध्ये सुपरलेटिव्ह जे काही वर्स्ट आहे बेस्ट आहे तर द हे आर्टिकल लागत असतं. बिग, लिटल और स्मॉल, बिटर, बिटर, स्वीट, स्वीट्स, बिटर, कडू, ब्लॅक, ब्लॅक, व्हाईट, ब्लेम, एखाद्याला दोष देणे, ब्लेम, प्रेज, कौतुक करणे, ब्लेस, ब्लेसिंग, आशीर्वाद, कर्स, कर्स च्या उलट आशीर्वाद, एखाद्याला आपण दोष दोष म्हणजे कर्स. बोल्ड, बोल्ड, मीक, टिमेड, बॉरो, लेंड. In Merchant of Venice, one is borrower, other is Anton was the borrower, and lender in Merchant of Venice, Antonio was the lender who gives money. Bottom, top, bound, unbound, bound, unbound, or free. Bound पिंजऱ्यामध्ये बाउंड, बाउंडलेस, लिमिटेड. बॉय, गर्ल, ब्रेव, शूर, कावडली, भित्रा. In Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, one of the dialogue is there: cowards die many times before their death. Cowards die many times before their death. So brave man tastes death at once. If we say such statements, immediately Chhatrapati Sambhaji Raje comes in our mind. So brave was very brave. Bright, dim, dull. Bright, dim, ब्रायटन, फेड. काही शब्द असे असतात ना, मराठीमध्ये पण त्याची गरजच नसते. बल्ब किती ब्राईट आहे आज, वातावरण एकदम ब्राईट आहे. ब्राईट असं म्हणजे आपण प्रकाशित असं ब्राईट, डिम, ब्रायटन, फेड, ब्रॉड, ब्रॉड नॅरो, ब्रॉड, build, destroy, rise and fall of Roman Empire, rise and fall, rise, fall, human, inhuman, create, destroy, ancient, modern, we have seen all the words, calm, windy, troubled, cannot, capable, saksham, incapable, captive, free, careful, careless. One has to be very careful while driving. One should not be careless while driving. Careful, be careful. Cheap, swasth, expensive. Electronic things are very expensive. Or vehicles nowadays, the price of vehicles is raised, or it is very expensive. Cheerful, cheerful, sad, discouraged, dreary, clear, cloudy, or opaque, clever, stupid, clockwise, anti-clockwise, or counterclockwise, anti-clockwise, close, far, closed, open, clumsy, graceful, cold, hot. Water is very hot, water is very cold. Or in the different context, he is suffering from cold. Cold, that is homonym, we will see later. Combine, separate, combine, separate, come, go, comfort, comfortable, comfort, discomfort, common, rare, common or rare, compulsory, voluntary, compulsory, voluntary or optional. English is a compulsory subject. Marathi, history, whatever your subjects are there, they are optional, not voluntary. They are optional. As per the context, words and word selection of word has to be selected. Cancel, reveal, conceal, reveal, conceal, hide, reveal, contract, expand, cool, express, cool, cool, warm, correct, wrong or incorrect, courage, cowardice, courage. Courage is one of the virtue that somebody told, that courage is a thing. If any person do not have courage, then all the virtues will not run. एखाद्या व्यक्तीमध्ये धैर्य नसेल तर अनेक व्हर्च्यू काही काम करू शकत नाहीत. धैर्य, करेज, सौजन्य, courteous, discourteous, rude, courteous, discourteous. You can imagine discourtesy in Natasamrat, how a daughter blames her father, in Natasamrat by Nana Patekar. Discourteous. Then create, destroy, crook, straight, cruel. World is very cruel. World is very kind. Cruel. It decides how the person is, how his experiences shapes, reshapes, and nurtures a person. dangerous, safe, dark, light. Light. Light means halka, असंही होतं. Light. The weight of particular vehicle is light comparatively. Vitara Brezza is light with comparison to Nexon. So light. Day, night, daytime, nighttime, dead, alive, decline, accept or increase, decrease, increase, वाढणे कमी होणे, decrease, deep, सखोल, deep, shallow, वरवरचा, definite, indefinite, definite article, निश्चित, अनिश्चित, demand and supply. Nowadays at present time the demand and supply of vehicles, now supply is very less and demand is very large, therefore consumers or customers have a lot of waiting, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months waiting, because each and everyone want to have four wheeler. So demand and supply ratio as scattered nowadays. We're discussing at present time, December, January. Demand, supply, despair, hope, asha, nirasha, despair, dim, bright, disappear. Exquisite person is disappear. He is a disappearing. Appear. Discourage, encourage. As a friend, we have to encourage our, as a true friend, we have to encourage our friend. So encouraging is a very good quality. Discourage, no. Diseased, healthy. Azari, diseased, is a diseased person. Healthy. Down, up, downwards, upwards. Dreary, cheerful. Dry, moist, dull, bright, shine. Honda shine, no? Two-wheeler, shine. Dull, bright. You can see the name of vehicles. They are hopeful, they have positiveness. Look at the name. Fortune, no, Fortuner, no, vehicle's name Fortune. One has Fortune, Fortuner. Then Splendor, Hero Honda Splendor, Vaibhav. You can see Shine. Some names are there which indicates something. Innova, innovations. It came from the word innovation, creativity. Innovation means creativity. So Innova. Some words they have really engraved in the hearts of people because of the name of the particular vehicle and the meaning behind it. Dull, bright, dusk, down. Now let us see, a synonym is a word having the same or nearly the same meaning, not same. Always synonym does not have a same meaning, but nearly the same meaning as compared with another word or what? Or phrase. Antonym. Antonyms are words which have the opposite meaning. For example, new and old, new, old, modern, ancient. So let us see, we have seen some of the synonyms, antonyms. Now we will see synonyms. These are synonyms. They are almost same meaning or near to the particular words. Baffle, fiery, baffling, confuse. Deceive is different but baffling and confusing. Beautiful, attractive, pretty, lovely, stunning. Bossy, controlling, tyrannical. Fair, just, objective, impartial, unbiased. Fair. Funny, humorous, vinodi, humorous, comical, hilarious, hysterical, funny. Happy, content, samadhani, joyful, mirthful, upbeat. Hardworking, diligent, determined, industrious, enterprising. The synonyms diligent, determined, industrious, enterprising, they share the same meaning, but they are not exactly the same. Hardworking, diligent, yes, they are same, but and industrious or enterprising, they are almost same, not just same. Honest, honorable, fair, sincere, trustworthy. One day I told you honest, trustworthy, sincere, hypocrisy, कृत्रिमपणा, आव आणणे, मी किती मोठा आहे, हिपोक्रसी, डुप्लिकसी, काही श्रीमंत लोक करतात तसं हिपोक्रसी, डुप्लिसिटी, फॉल्सनेस. Important, required, vital, essential, primary, significant, important, significant, correct, critical, important, intelligent. Intelligent, the word intelligent in the recent context, on the 13th of January, Tata Motors have launched Ultros. So I-Turbo, they have given one new name. Second generation vehicle, given I-Turbo. So they tell the I means intelligent. So intelligent turbo. My God. Okay. Introvert, shy, bashful, quiet, withdrawn, introvert. The actor Ajay Devgan is introvert person, introvert, but shy, bashful, quiet, withdrawn. One of the interview, Kajal also pointed out that my husband is introvert. He's very shy, introvert. Compare with Kajal. His wife, introverted, extroverted. See, Kajal is extroverted. He's bold. He speaks straightforwardly. But Ajay Devgan, in so many interviews, you can observe him. He's an introverted person, shy, bashful, quiet, withdrawn, kind, kind, thoughtful, considerate, amiable, friendly, kind, gracious, lazy, idle, lethargic, indolent, lackadaisical, new word, lackadaisical, lucky, lucky, auspicious, fortunate, lucky, fortuner, no, just fortuner, lucky. Each and everyone want to be lucky. So mean, unfriendly, unpleasant, bad tempered, difficult, mean, halka, mean, old, and different context. Halka means not just light. This is light. No, mean means one do not have virtue. Mean, characterless. Old, antiquated, ancient, solid, extinct, old. Extinct means नामशेष होणे पण मिळता जुळता आहे. Outgoing, friendly, sociable, warm, extroverted. Look at introvert and extrovert. They are, antonyms. Introvert, extrovert. Both are antonyms. We are just learning synonyms. These introvert and extrovert, they are opposite. Just I told you one example. Pacify, shant, appease, placate. Pacify, shant, peace of mind. Calm of mind, and all passions spent. These words are of John Milton. Calm of mind. Calm of mind is very important. Positive, optimistic. Yesterday I told you, optimistic, pessimistic, opponent. Positive, optimistic, cheerful, starry-eyed. Starry-eyed, very good word. Sunjoin. Next, recalcitrant, obstinate, stubborn, rich, fluent, wealthy, well off, well to do, rich, XYZ person born with silver spoon in his mouth. A very rich person is born with silver spoon in his mouth. Say for example, silver spoon. Rich person, XYZ person, having legacy, everything, name, fame of parents, so rich in every way, strong, stable, secure, solid, not tough, rough and tough. True. False, but we are learning synonyms. Genuine, true is a true person, genuine, factual, accurate, correct, real, no true. Uh, William Shakespeare, in his one of the sonnet entitled True Love, he says at the beginning, let me not the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love, which alters with the alteration of time. You know, he defines true love doesn't changes with the course of time. In his sonnet 116, you can read this sonnet and internet also, everything is available. Everything is available. If you want to, I will also share. This poem is very beautiful. I learned when I was in second year. Our teacher, still I remember, he teach like this, at present also, I have recited that poem, poetic lines. Let me know the marriage of true minds admit impediment. Love is not love which alters with the alteration of time. Then, with the course of this poem, he says that how the lighthouse, guides the other boats or ships. In the same way, true love guides the entire life. It is so much stable. It guides. It nurtures our life. No, true love of our parents nurtures us. True love. True love. It gives. Capacity to see above and beyond. That is true love. True, okay. True, genuine, factual, accurate, correct, real, turbulent, disordered, violent, unhappy, sad. No one like these words. Sad, depressed, melancholy, miserable, valid, authorized, valid, legitimate, weak, frail, infirm, funny, fragile. No, weak. So, thanks a lot for your kind cooperation.